Marinera Residences by Dilekci Architects in EME, Turkey. The essence of Marinera Residences is revealed through the interplay between form, material, and light. Marinera has its distinct language, which is influenced by its unique surroundings and topography. The architectural design of the residences creates a rich living experience by the water. Situated in the enchanting region of Ayasaranda, Çeşme, stunning nature, and the Aegean Sea seamlessly merge on the site. Marinera responds to its site by creating a silhouette when approached from the sea. Each block has been strategically positioned to take into account environmental factors such as the sea breeze and sun, offering the users uninterrupted views and privacy. The careful consideration of natural elements and integration of green spaces ensure that each resident enjoys a harmonious connection with their surroundings. Marinera sits along the slope, melting into the silhouette of the topography. As a residential development, it recreates the feeling of separate dwellings even in its uppermost units. Overhangs protrude to create generous shaded areas as the project orients itself toward Chios Island. The residential project is made up of 6 blocks, hosting 74 units, each presenting a variety of plan schemes and area uses. The buildings feature irregularly stacked concrete floor slabs at each level, providing wide terraces with delightful views while offering shade to the units below. As the shadow is cast, the glazing and wooden facade elements are intended to disappear visually. This striking effect blurs the boundary of the building, creating an interesting play of light and shadow. Marinera creates unexpected views, orienting each unit carefully and distinctly. Main circulation areas and open gardens lead up to large common areas, enriching the outdoor experience of the residents. Terraced gardens have uninterrupted views of the sea, creating a direct and unique relationship with Aegean waters. Marinera Residences embodies thoughtful design, seamlessly integrating form, material, and light for a unique living experience in harmony with Ayasaranda, Çeşme's natural beauty.